Alright guys, so today we're installing the LED lights, C lights. We're going to install it on a 2015 Chevy Camaro. So now these lights are way better in my opinion. They have their own, it has a light, and it also, hold on, let me get it out. Okay. These are a better installation. Connects original to the original harness. All you have to do is just remove it. Just fairly easy. All you do is take off the cabs that are behind the lights. After that, you reach in here from the headlight housing, pull out the bulb, and then easy access to the light bulb. Should put this one here. This is the first one that we're going to be installing. Kind of bring it a little closer so I can hold this. So what it does is it connects to the original harness. Once you do that, bring this one back in carefully. Alright, so we're taking out the regular ones and replacing them with the LED ones. First things first, you must know which one's your positive, your negative. Bring this around.
Hey, before you do that, let's no, just I'm gonna still record like that. We're gonna go with your fob and see, because we're not gonna find out. Go for it. What are those? Look at that. That's ugly. Much better. Can't take it out or what?
What the hell? Tied this thing up so tight. Oh, very tight on there. Not a bad position, that's for sure.
Good thing the intake's there, so no have the airbox.
The airbox.
Yeah, well, the airbox, I'm gonna have to take it down. The whole airbox.
What the heck? Got it, finally. It's very tight on there. So take out the light bulb. Here it is, gently. Careful not to touch the tip, because if you do, this one looks like it was about to blow.
Oh, that does not look good.
No.
Okay, that looks different.
That one's there.
Oh, okay, I see at the bottom. The bottom's like a bit discolorized.
And for the LED, you do have to put on these gloves. Do not want to touch.
You want to
mess them
put
up.
grease. Well, not grease. Fingertip grease. Fingertip grease.
So first things first, I'm just gonna install it. Just a lot more easier. First, pull that housing out. Wiring. Okay. So you got that. Make sure you figure out which one's your positive and your negative. Mainly on these Chevys, usually it's either the red or the yellow that are usually the positive. The negative is either black or gray. So self-explanatory: positive with positive, and negative with negative. Now that that's installed, we just tuck these in and put back our cap. Have to get it on the right groove. There you go, that's installed. Now, you click your fob.
Alright, Rosa, take out your snap-on light out of here. There you go.
Alright, so how I got to the fog lights is with these 3 bolts right here with the T20. You unscrew those 3 bolts and then you pull the fender line towards you, and for the bolts for the fog lights are right there with the green tab on it. Okay, so how I got to the bulb is I twist the bulb counterclockwise and I brought it towards me, and to unclip this light bulb right here is you gotta unclip these 2 clips right here. These 2 clips right here, and then you pull it towards you. There we go. This is your old bulb right here, the fog lights. And now you get your LED HID lights, and then you just simply plug it in like that. Like that, and clips on like that. As simple as that.
See, now this is the aftermath with both HIDs from the high and the fog lights compared to the fog lights on the other side. This is the other side that we installed the high beam one, well, the HID one. We're about to install the fog lights on this one. Alright, so right now we're just backtracking. We're putting it in the fender line, and we're going to screw in all the 3 T20 screws. Alright, so now we're going to do the same thing, vice versa of what we did to the other side of the fog lights. Alright, once after we got the fog light in and we connected everything in, now it's time to put the fender line back in. Now we're going to put the 3 T20 bolts inside. Now, moment of truth.
We're about to show all the lights on with the fog. Big difference.